For most of human history, being watched was rare. It meant something. A guard, a witness, a moment that mattered. Now, being watched is constant, quiet, invisible, and most of the time, we don't even notice. Not because someone is following you, but because you're surrounded. That's not a threat. That's your neighbor's kid. That's not suspicious. That's someone having a bad night. And that's not a criminal. That's just someone doing their job. But all of them were recorded, stored, and added to something larger. This is how it starts. A simple decision. You want to feel safer. So you buy a camera, install it in minutes, connect it to your phone. And just like that, you can see everything. Who's at your door, what's happening outside, what you might have missed. It works. That's why people keep buying them. Now, imagine that everywhere, not just your house, every street, every entrance, every corner, tens of millions of cameras in homes, cars, phones, businesses, all recording, all uploading, all the time. No one announced it. No one voted on it, but it's here. A man walks down the street. He appears again and again and again. Different angles, different homes. A timeline builds itself. Where he came from, where he's going, how long he stayed. He didn't agree to that. He just existed in range. And none of this stays where it was recorded. It's sent somewhere else. Massive data centers. Processed, stored, organized, not just as footage, but as information, patterns, behavior, because the system isn't just watching, it's learning. At first, it's about safety. Then it becomes something more. Access expands. Data gets shared, requested, expected, and slowly, what once felt unusual feels normal. But systems like this don't stay fixed. They evolve, and the people who control them don't always share your priorities. Look again. Your family, your neighbors, your kid, they're all in the frame. Not because they did anything wrong, but because the cameras are everywhere. And once that data exists, you don't control what happens next. You won't always know who's watching or why, but the system will. If this made you uncomfortable, pay attention to it, because the most powerful system are the ones people choose to build. You built this.